think I went this side.
Mm.
It's
The
good.
fresh cilantro and the lime and the onion, and then you get like
The kick.
yeah. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants, where we're doing something interesting this time.
We are.
One of our favorite ingredients.
It totally is. We are making shredded tofu tacos. We love tofu.
I remember being intimidated by it, though. It's like,
totally.
I like it in a restaurant. I don't like it at home because I don't know how to cook it.
Yeah.
And we have mastered tofu.
We use it in so many different ways.
Yeah.
We really have. So if you're like a veteran plant-based vegan person like us, then great, keep watching because we're going to end up doing something really funny and stupid. But if you're just getting started with eating plant-based, you have to watch this. Tofu is so malleable. You can do so much with it. And so, yeah, we have a shredded tofu taco recipe that you are absolutely gonna love. That was kind of a low note.
Yeah.
That was good. Hey, Barry White, I'm coming for you.
Oh,
I mean, he's dead, but you know.
Well, you've been practicing in
I
every surgery.
Yes, I have.
Oh my God. Okay, let's make tacos.
Let's make tacos.
You are ridiculous.
To get started, we're going to remove our extra firm tofu from the press where it's been pressing overnight. We're going to shred the whole block of tofu and then add some olive oil to coat it, and then our seasonings and stir to mix. Then we'll spread it on a lined baking sheet and pop it into the oven at 400 degrees. You'll know your tofu is done when it's golden brown. While our tofu is baking, we're going to get a pan nice and hot with some olive oil and then add in our onion and garlic and cook it until it's translucent. Then we'll add in our jalapeno, followed by our seasonings, veggie broth, and tomato paste. By the time this is simmered a bit and really cooked down to develop the flavors, our tofu is ready to be mixed in. We're going to let it cook a little bit longer, and then we'll be ready to make some tacos. You can't have a great taco without warm tortillas. We're going to heat ours up on the griddle, flipping them halfway, and we know they're done when they have just a little crisp to them. To assemble our tacos, we're going to scoop in our taco meat, give a nice topping of fresh chopped cilantro and onion, and a squeeze of fresh lime.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Where'd the lime go? Did you eat it?
No, we already put lime on it.
Okay. Thanks.
So, Miss Bossy Pants, we have tacos.
Woo-hoo. Yummy, simple,
yes,
kind of street taco-y tacos. I'll take that.
Okay. All right, here we go.
I think I went this side. It's
The
good.
fresh cilantro and the lime and the onion, and then you get like
The kick.
yeah. Oh,
Those are yummy.
wow.
Nobody needs to go to Mexico.
No.
You can just come here
Good.
and have like tacos
Wow.
and margaritas and palomas and all
We
sorts
clearly
of
need a
things.
bigger house for all of you to just move in.
Yeah,
Everybody.
come visit.
Oh,
Bend is amazing.
these
are good.
Yeah. These are really, again, we wanted to do something that was just really simple. And so, again, tofu. Tofu is amazing.
Shredded seasonings.
And then
It's got a little crisp, a little bite and chew to it.
Yep.
Like the texture of, I like the texture better than ground beef. Not that I don't know what ground beef tastes like.
Yeah, we haven't eaten it in so long. But we let it go a little bit longer in the oven, so it got crispy. It does soften up a little bit as you mix it in the marinade that we make with it, the spices, but
not a ton. Still got good chew.
and
It's yummy.
yeah, this is really, really good.
It's a good balance to pizza.
Yeah.
And a
Lots
good
fun
use
stuff.
of tofu.
Yeah.
So,
We hope that you've enjoyed watching this. If you have, please let us know. Tell everybody you know. And thank you. We really appreciate you watching us.
be kind
Eat pizza.
with plants.
And,
Yeah.
and tacos.
And tacos. Taco Tuesday. Why did we do this on Taco Tuesday?
Okay, maybe we will share this on Tuesday.
Might rebroadcast.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya. Thanks for watching.